If you're searching for commercial space, you've probably noticed most websites are cluttered, confusing, and slow. Commercial Xclusive keeps it simple. You can start by choosing the type of property you're looking for. Then select your province and city. That's it. No unnecessary filters, just the basics to help you find the right listings faster. If you want to narrow things down even more, you can type in a keyword that describes what you need. And when a property stands out, simply tap the heart icon. That's all it takes to save it to your favorites. And to view everything you've saved, go to My Account and open Favorite. All your selected properties are neatly organized in one place. Once you've found opportunities that interest you, the next step is connecting with the right agent to move things forward. If you want help from someone who truly understands commercial real estate, finding the right agent shouldn't be complicated. On Commercial Xclusive, it's easy. Choose your province and city, and you'll see agents who actually work in your market. Already have someone in mind? Search by name or by specialty and go straight to the right person. You'll also see simple badges that tell you who's who. Yellow means licensed in more than one province. Blue means a local independent agent. Team means part of a real estate team. And profiles with a verified badge simply mean the Commercial Xclusive admin team has reviewed and approved the agent, giving you an added layer of trust. And once you find someone who feels right, connecting is easy. You can email them directly or schedule a call right from their profile. Whatever works best for you. No extra steps, no chasing people down. Commercial Xclusive is built to make finding space and the right help easier, quieter, and less stressful. This is a better way to move forward. Welcome to Commercial Xclusive.